Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy ASneakerLife. For the one time, we're changing it up a little bit. Now, I have these Prestos. This is probably my most worn shoe. I know everybody who has a pair of beaters like this. I figured it's time to clean them up, man. And today I'm going to be trying out Reshoevn8r for the first time. So I actually got this bag a couple years ago at a sneaker con because I was really intrigued by the product. So first and foremost, this is supposedly the ultimate cleaning kit. This comes with a few different items. Number one being the brush. You have the advanced sneaker solution, and then you have the laundry bag, which I think is super dope. And on top of that, you also have inserts for the shoes. I also have this ultimate cleaning kit, which has a bunch of different products that I plan on trying out at a later date, so stay tuned for that. But most importantly, we got the sneaker laundry detergent, which should help us in the process. So pretty simple. All we're gonna do is just, put the sneaker solution all over the shoe and get it nice and wet. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put these inserts in. As you can see, the shoes are pretty dirty. This is years of being worn. Like I told you, these are my beaters. These are the shoes that are at the door that are always ready to go. I really like this laundry bag. It's nice just to know that your shoes are protected in here. Especially with the washer that I have, it could potentially ruin the shoes, so this is definitely a good look. And now we wait. Look at those. Now, they look great. I mean, from a distance, you'd have no idea that they are 4 years old. I'm very happy with the product. As you can see, shoes are just looking super clean. Right back on foot. Man, I love these shoes, guys. The best thing is now I don't have to buy another pair of these. They haven't released them on Nike in a minute, so it's nice to know that I just cleaned up my pair. Saved me a little bit of money. They're looking good. And I bet you they got 4 more years in them. Reshoevn8r is definitely a go, approved by me. If you guys want to purchase any, the links will be down below, but hey, I'm very happy.